Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the iOS 17.1.1 or whatever update not installing. It's a method that will fix it, and it has worked for me. So if you appreciate it, give me a like and hit the subscribe button if you are new. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your phone is compatible. So when you go on general software update, if your phone is very old, like iPhone, I don't know, 10, maybe you don't have the latest version. So that should help. For me, it does. When I just type in my passcode, it works. I have an iPhone 14. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have good Wi-Fi and you have sufficient battery. So make sure you are either on very reliable service, mobile service or cellular data or good Wi-Fi to fix the iOS 17 unable to install update issue. The next thing you can do is actually going over to your general tab. You want to click on date and time. Have this set automatically because this is important, especially if you left it to be updated overnight. And then you want to have sufficient battery, ideally plugged in. This is most of the things you can do. Another thing you can do, a bonus, is going over to settings, clicking on general, then clicking on transfer or reset, and just reset the network settings right here. And restarting your iPhone, obviously. If you're still having the issue, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you out. If I did help you out, give me a like. If you're new, subscribe. See you next one.